Hello, Flower Glamorous Cooking with Beverly family. How are you all doing today? Well, I am blessed and highly favored, but I have a problem going on in these woods. We have a visitor from the mountains who decided to come down and terrorize my flowers and whatever. He or she, I say it's a she, has eating the fish out of our pond. We've had this pond for over 20 years, and we had 5 koi's in it, and then the same koi's have been in this pond the whole time. And mysteriously, the fish disappeared. We didn't know what was going on at that point. Why did someone get the fish or an animal? We didn't know which one got it until we got the video of our neighbors up on the hill had a visitor. And I'll drop that little video in here so you can see who that visitor is. And this visitor, we're assuming now, got our koi's. Then last night, my flowers in the back here were attacked, and someone took them down and hung them back, or it took it down and hung them back up. I had that same problem happen a couple of weeks ago on my flowers in the front, but I sort of played it off and I fixed the flower. But the same thing happened to my 2 plants here in the back. These are the plants that were attacked. I didn't think to come out here and do a video this morning when I discovered them because I was so upset. I took pictures, and I'll put the pictures in here so you can see them. And my husband was gone, and I couldn't figure out what in the world has attacked my flowers like this. But I am 95% sure it's the neighborhood bear. I have all these plants that are sitting here on this ledge right behind the other 2 plants that were attacked, and they are all right. But I don't know why whoever decided to attack those 2 plants. Look at my watermelon. It is getting bigger and bigger. This is our first one. I hope he doesn't get this. See, all these plants are doing just fine. I even picked cucumbers this morning off of the cucumber plant. The veggies are all in their same place. Nothing's been disturbed with the veggies. Whoever is attacking my flowers evidently loves flowers. Look at this banana tree. We have 3 of them. We have 2 baby banana trees up by the pond. And these peppers, they didn't touch the peppers, or whoever it was. The peppers are still loaded. Look at the peppers. Everything here is still intact. It just decided to attack my 2 plants in the back. Those right there. If someone is missing their bear, please come and pick him up he or she and take them home with wherever they belong. Take them back to the mountains so they can get in their own territory. I will be really mad if that bear decides to attack this flower, but who knows? Isn't it lovely? This plant right here is the first one that was attacked that I found that was tore up and I had to fix. And they did the same thing to the two in the back. More of my beautiful flowers.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous.